Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll share you 2 minutes Photoshop tutorial. So let's go. First, you open your Photoshop app. If you want to save your canvas, for example, different sizes of canvas, press Ctrl N or File, New. Here you can save your design canvas. First, put your design name like P1 and put here your desired sizes like 1980 and 1080 pixel. This is pixel and resolution 72 or 300. If your input is all correct, you can save this. For save, just click here and write here your saving title like save 1 and just press save preset. So our next topic is how to reset your Photoshop. If you delete your all tabs like here and here, the question is how to reset all of this. It is very easy to reset your Photoshop. First, your mouse pointer bring here and click here, reset essential. Click here. You can see all the Photoshop reset and essential, all of the window show here. Now I will show you how to blur your background or any image or any object. So first, this image background I will blur now. So first, select your quick selection tool and click here and quick select your background, and now we can apply the feather selection. Just right button here and feather, just feather apply 3 and OK. And now click the filter menu and click blur menu and sub menu Gaussian blur. Click here and now Gaussian blur radius decrease and increase frequently and adjust the blur. This is the exact blur what I need. So friends, today's last task is color change. So if you want to change your color of your text, just click double click here and this is the selection of this text. And now here this is the color box and click here and apply any color. Here you can see the color change frequently when I click the color box at different position. And if you like this color, just click OK and then click here. So you can see the color apply in this text. You can change color not only here but also here. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like button and share this video of your friends. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.